Restore hosted a well-attended investor site visit last week, taking in two of the group's growth engines, Restore Technology and Synertec, the recent £33 million acquisition. For Restore Technology, our key takeaway is this is a business that has been stabilised and is now poised for a period of revenue growth and margin appreciation. The business is increasingly working with value-added resellers who want to partner with companies like Restore who can offer consistently high service levels. In Synertec, it is clear that Restore has acquired a highly successful business with an excellent track record of growth and a dynamic and ambitious management team. Synertec has built a market-leading document solutions business around a proprietary software system that offers the flexibility and responsiveness demanded by key customers, including the NHS. The visits provided a reminder of the group's ambitious growth plans, which in our view are not reflected in the current PE rating of just 10 times. We reiterate our 400p fair value estimate.